How to share story from Instagram to Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the plus icon on the top left of your screen and you will be led to the story interface. Here, go ahead and select the picture that you want to add as your story. Once you have the picture that you want to add as your story, simply tap hold on the Your Story option you see there, and here you will see the option for Your Story Facebook. So tap on the Your Facebook Story radio button you see there, and then tap on the Share button. But before that, if you want, you can also go ahead and make any changes to your story, such as adding your text or stickers or music and tagging people. Once done, simply tap on the Your Stories option at the bottom left, and with this, the story will be posted to your story and will also be shared to your Facebook story together. So, this was about how you can share your story from Instagram to Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.